ज्येष्ठ नागरिकांक जे तांचे मुळावे हक्क आसा ते तरी निदान योग्य रितीन मेळचे म्हण शुक्रारा उत्तर गोंय आप वुमन्स फ्रंटाची सहनिमंत्रक आयोना फर्नांडिसान आपल्या सांगात्या बरोबर समाज कल्याण संचालनालयाक निवेदन पत्र भेटयले. हाचेर योग्य तो उपाय घेवपाक आप वुमन्स फ्रंटान समाज कल्याण संचालनालयाक 45 दिसांची मुदत दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली.
Right now at 12 noon we have signed the memorandum and we have inverted at the social welfare department. This is as per our promise to the senior citizens and a culmination of the entire dialogues that we've had over the last 3 weeks. The senior citizens and their rights right now are in the hands of the government, and we are going to push forward to see that these rights are not shortchanged and the deliverables in these rights are given to the senior citizens. Okay, and tomorrow also there will be a senior citizen convention in North Goa in Hotel Mayura at Mapsa. There are a list of, it's not demands as such, it is a rights zoasa thanka, like reservation for seating in buses, simple things, okay, that are lines, medicines, geriatric care which is senior citizens care. These are small things. It's a big lineup of things that are not delivered as per the in the provisions in the Act, Senior Citizens Act.
What deadline you have given?
We have given 45 days deadline. Okay, that's the maximum deadline that we have given. But whatever action we have already initiated, it is actually seen right now because the government is mulling over changing the acts in the law, mulling over doing some action in the social citizens' rights. That's what we had heard recently. So be very sure that whatever action the women front take or whatever work the women front take, this is going to be brought to a conclusion, successful conclusion.